Here is a start Wix One website tutorial. Well, the first is getting started. You can simply head into wix.com. Once you're on wix.com, you can head into get started option here at the top. And you can go ahead and continue to sign in either using Google or Facebook. Now, once you have done so, getting started is typically the hardest part of any creative endeavor. But that's not necessarily the case with Wix. As Wix editor specialist, Ali Flood explains on the Wix blog, you can choose to start with the AI website builder, a website template, or a blank slate. This video is going to take you through what templates are, how they work, and how to choose. So you can see here, you can go ahead and you can find your My Site here. This is My Site. So what you can do is tap on it and it'll start loading up. Now you can go ahead and you can also get the application to manage it on the Wix app, but you can do so here. Now you can also upgrade your domain to connect your domain. Now I've not upgraded it. Now to edit and design your website, of course you'll have to go to your desktop. You can also look into the website through the Wix Owner application. Now to get in more detail video and insight, which is going to be longer as this is just a short guide, I'll recommend you to head into the particular vlog, Wix blog. You can search for it and down below you should be able to see about the Wix blog here about it, and you'll be able to find the tutorials here. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe.